Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change the background of a photo. I have a photo with a girl with a blurred background, and we will change it to this bright. Select and copy a photo with a girl. Click Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, and paste Ctrl+V. Click here, and choose Select and Mask. Then select Subject. Refine hair and click OK. Click Add a Mask. Click Adjustments and choose Brightness Contrast. Brightness move a little to the left. Contrast move a little to the right. If the video was useful for you, like, subscribe, click on the bell so as not to miss new videos. Leave a comment and see you in the next video.